It is now 4 p.m. on May 22nd, Beijing time. In the video last Friday, only the signal for gold was given, but not for EUR/USD. It is because there are still long orders in EUR/USD that enter the market at 1.0785 to 1.0720 last Thursday. After the release, the lowest price was 1.0761, and some long orders reached the entry point, and the highest rose to 1.0832. If you follow the video to operate, there's a profit margin of 37 to 71 points to catch. Lao Dai prompted to sell when the exchange rate rose to 1.0805, making a small profit of $200 and $440 per lot. Then there's gold. Last Friday, it is recommended to sell short from 1981 to 1992. The stop loss was set at 1994. After the issue, the highest price was 1984.3. Some short orders reached the entry point, and the lowest dropped to 1971.3. If you pay attention to the video to keep up with the gold operation, there is a profit margin of 97 to 130 points per hand to grab. We prompt to sell when the price of gold fell to 1974.7, earning a profit of $650 to $980 per lot. If you just follow the intraday signals on the video to trade, then the profit is not enough. The chart above shows the trend of the net worth of Lao Dai's main account in the last months. With intraday signals and EA program trading, the net profit has increased by $24,859, which is in a steady upward trend. Except for this month, in fact, our income in the past 3 years has been maintained at 76% every year, and the stability is relatively strong. If you are concerned about our accuracy rate or want to consult and cooperate with us for intraday signals, we have a group of traders to provide you with precise points and real-time tips every day. And you can also bind a master account to copy transactions, as long as you have a foreign exchange trading account. No limit to the platforms or brokers. The observation password of the main account will be provided throughout the cooperation, and the effect of the account transaction can be seen within 2 weeks. If interested, you can add the contact information at the top of the screen. How to operate today? Let's look at EUR/USD first. Last Friday, Federal Reserve Chairman Powell's speech was generally hawkish, intending to try to intervene in market expectations, because the market and the Fed have different opinions, and they believe that the Fed will still cut interest rates this year. If Powell maintains the view of high interest rates, and U.S. Treasury Secretary Yellen believes that it is necessary to do more consolidation of the banking industry, it means that worries about the global banking crisis will resume sooner in the second half of the year. The rise of the US dollar index is difficult to sustain, and it is more of a volatile pattern. EUR/USD can go long in light positions near the low of 1.0760 last week, and the key resistance above is farther away at 1.0890. Euro can do more at 1.0755 to 1.0690 with a stop loss of 1.0680. Gold was also affected by the Fed's suppression of interest rate cut expectations last week, leading to price declines. However, as the monetary policy turns from hawkish to neutral, the room for gold prices to fall becomes limited, and we can wait for short positions below 1959 to do long in the day. Gold can be long in 1959 to 1948, with stop loss at 1946. This week, the speeches of central bank officials from various countries are relatively concentrated, and it is easy to intervene in the market. Pay attention to keeping light positions and setting stop losses. In addition to Europe and gold, 2 to 3 products will be selected from the 5 targets of GBP, AUD, JPY, silver, and crude oil, including their supports, resistance, and directions will be given for reference. The upper part is last Friday's signals review chart, and the lower part is today's point view sharing, but it is only recommended for traders who have a certain short-term trading basis. The target point is not placed on the video. Lauda will also watch the market trend and notify more accurate selling tips in the group. Scan the QR code on the top of the screen for cooperation consultation and contact me. Finally, I will give you a famous quote from Charles Dickens.